If the gas struts can no longer support the hood or trunk of your car, you can easily replace them yourself in less than 5 minutes. First, you'll need to find replacement struts compatible with your particular car. I got this pair for just $25, and if you're interested, you can check in the description below for a link. Next, find someone to assist you with holding the hood while you are replacing the struts. Otherwise, you will need to securely prop up the hood or trunk. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the retaining clip, and then detach the strut from the ball joint. Do the same thing for the bottom of the strut. To install the new strut, attach the strut onto the ball joint and verify it is mounted securely. Do the same thing for the bottom side of the strut. Replace the second hood strut in the same manner. And finally, hit that like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.